YouTube? This is me, Brian DeLeon. YouTube channel name Brian Deli. It's actually my first video, and today I'll be doing a blender challenge. So here we have Cheez-It, Pop-Tart, Oreos, donut balls, honey glazed, glazed. I don't know, I'm still thinking about what we should put bread, but we have cereal. I'm not going to be using those bananas in our lines. And of course we have milk and ice. So this is basically going to be a smoothie. Here I've already added the donut balls, Cheez-Its, and Oreos. I'm going to add the Pop-Tart now. I'm going to be taking one Pop-Tart only out of the package, just one. I'm gonna break it into pieces so it doesn't like get stuck there. Let's break it. And there it goes. Down into the blender. Okay, so now we have Pop-Tart, donut balls, Cheez-Its, and Oreos. What are we missing? Cereal. We're going to be using honey bunches of oats, vanilla bunches. I haven't opened this yet. Here we are pouring the honey bunches in. It's disgusting. I think that's about enough. Yeah, that's enough. Now we have our Farmer's Choice dairy fat-free milk. I'm gonna pour that in. I don't want to pour too much. I'm gonna pour a little bit, and if it's too chunky, I'll pour a little bit more. That's about it. Okay, so that's it. So far we have Cheez-Its with Pop-Tarts, milk, honey bunches of vanilla bunches, Oreos, and donut balls. And that's it. Now we're going to put it in the blender. Okay, so now it's in the blender. Excuse my dirty blender. I've been using it a lot and I've been too lazy to clean it. I want to do the honors. What am I saying? I can't even come to my house. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I almost forgot I had to put ice, sorry. Okay, we're adding some ice into that. Oh, there we go. My fault, I rocked all the fun. It's looking weird already. Just put a little bit more. Oh, can't grab it. Alright, that's it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yuck. Okay. Let's try this out, man. This looks completely disgusting. Like, completely disgusting. Okay, here I got my favorite mug. I don't know why this is my favorite mug. It's just my favorite mug. And got this, whatever kind of drink you call it. It's called a diarrhea drink. Drink. And it's pouring, Oh my god. Let's try it. This is so disgusting. Dripping. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, disgusting. So I'm actually setting the camera up. It's nasty, man. I'm gonna drink it. Alright, I'll drink it. It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. It's amazing. Best invention of the whole wide world. But this is the end of the video. Please leave a thumbs up. Comment below if you want me to do more videos like this. Hopefully, if I get over 50 subscribers, I'll make another video. Deal? Deal.